I'm Brittany and this is Drew, and for the past 5 years we've been traveling the world by van, and we just recently finished building Spirit, our 5th van home and first ever conversion. Subscribe and we look forward to sharing where this unpredictable adventure takes us all.
We're on the shuttle bus. We're back in Idaho. We just spent the last week in Michigan where Drew was checking in on the business that he remotely manages that makes our life on the road possible.
We've been on the road for many years and it's the magic sauce that makes the whole journey possible.
So get excited because our How We Afford a Van Life video is in the works. You're gonna wanna subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss a beat. And we are just moments away from being reunited with our sweet van home.
This was the first time we left her alone.
Hopefully she didn't have any parties while we were away. Spirit, here we come.
Here we go. Van home.
Time to unpack and do all the things. Woke up at 4 o'clock this morning and now it's 2 hours earlier and I don't remember what day it is, but tomorrow we got a very exciting invitation this morning on Instagram. It just came on a whim and it's someone who's been a huge inspiration to us for years now, and they invited us to see something that you're not going to believe and we can't wait to share it with you. So hold on tight and get your appetites ready because this is gonna be special. Oh, touch to start. Yay!
You have 2 packages and 2 lockers.
Whoa!
Code accepted.
Did you
Boom.
see that?
Grab your package.
Cool. Okay, we have to guess where the other one is.
But now you gotta close it.
Oh. It's right above it.
Surprise.
They were neighbors. Okay.
You're all good.
That's everything. Cool.
That's all. Let's see what it says. Thank you for using Amazon Locker. Amazon will only hold these packages for 3 days in these lockers.
And it's Drew's birthday next week, and
It's my birthday.
I had to get him something special. Oh my goodness. What are these?
They're so good.
They're so delicious.
Nana's treats.
Nana made us a batch of these like chocolate peanut butter oat balls. They have honey, oats,
Chocolate.
peanut butter.
And just for us.
Wow. Yeah, new favorite thing. Look at that. And it's not, oh gosh. Yeah. Water was spotted at the stinker right there. So we're gonna go inside and ask if we can fill up.
Hey man, would it be alright to use some of the water out of the hose from my van?
Sure, go for it.
Okay, just wanted to ask somebody, so appreciate it. Yeah. That guy was rad. He was happy I asked him, so always go in and ask before you just start using a hose out in general. But there she is. Success.
Water! We're almost done with chores.
Almost. You get water and gas at the same place, at the stinker. Babe, will you come hold this? Make sure it doesn't come out.
Alright, duties. Nice. That just happened. Kinda got a free shower here at the stinker. We filled it over full, and that's what happens, I guess, when
It
it's
just
full.
becomes like a geyser just blasting out of the hole.
I'm soaked right now. At least my face wasn't right in front of it.
That's happened before.
That would have been epic. I would have been like, why was nobody filming that in slow-mo? That would have gone viral.
We filled up at that hostel last time.
Oh yeah, the hostel. They were so nice. Home
Home on the range. It's gonna be our first rooftop terrace dinner. Look at all those veggies.
Wow.
Look at that. Dang. Just in time for the sunset. Chow time. See you guys later.
See you in the morning.
Keep in mind warm with the tortillas.
Good morning, everyone. Feeling much more like myself today. We slept in, went through a run through the Sunset Hills. All of our drying, sweaty clothes. But the sun actually works wonders, especially in the dry heat here in Boise. And now, after eating breakfast, Drew's chilling on the picnic table, just answering some YouTube comments before we head off to our next destination. Also, I just shared an Instagram photo of our no-cook vegan nachos. Drew and I have been planning for a while now to experiment with going vegan for 30 days. We want to wrap our heads around a few more things before we set out on that adventure. So if you guys have a tasty vegan recipe that you love or that you would want us to try and make a video on, leave a comment for us below because we're really excited for that. That's going to be very interesting. I was actually vegan for 8 months a few years ago, but didn't stick with it because it was really hard to do that in Europe, especially with Drew not being vegan. So the fact that he's willing to try this for 30 days is very exciting. So lots of deliciousness to come. And speaking of delicious things, we cannot wait to take you to today's big destination. You ready to go, mister?
Onwards.
Yay!
Because like I said, we're in Boise now, but we're going to move like kind of to Sun Valley and then
collaboration
like
phone call with
Moonshade.
Moonshade.
That would be my guess of where
More to come soon.
Before we like...
In the interest of eating all of our non-vegan food, it's time for some Cricket Energy. This company actually sent us a few of these and Drew really loved them. It's a protein bar made from crickets. Peanut is his favorite flavor.
It's very tasty.
Can you hear him?
Oh, it's really sounds like crickets in a package.
We're almost there and it's gonna be spud-tacular. Probably already know what we're going to because I forget that we can't completely surprise you in these episodes because we have to put a title to them and the title has to be interesting enough that you guys watch it. So you probably already know where we're going.
What am I looking for again? Something big and giant on the side of the road.
Do you guys see it? Right there! You have arrived. I am very excited. But before we dig in, I gotta let you guys know that the woman who created the big potato Idaho hotel.
The big Idaho potato hotel.
Thanks, babes. She also created 3 other tiny dwellings that are just beyond.
Yeah.
There's the Big Island treehouse, which is how I found out about her. She actually inspired me years ago when I saw this incredible treehouse that she built in Hawaii with a swinging circle bed underneath. Like, blew my mind, saved it to my favorites list, and have watched it multiple times.
She also created the Hobbit house, which is something that I saw on YouTube years ago and thought was so cool, and I can't even believe that we're here to where she's made this wonderful creation.
And she created the Crystal Peak Lookout, which is in northern Idaho, which I don't know if we'll make it up there, but if we do, we're definitely going to visit. But it's really freaking hot in here.
We gotta get outside, and we got Dolly the cow waiting for us.
Dolly! Hey, sweet thing. Hey! You approve? Hi. Aw, I would love a pet cow, but unfortunately you wouldn't fit in our home, would you? Haven't done this in a while. It's like gum, but it's cow food. Alright, Dolly. Is this what's happening?
Yeah, do it.
I'm gonna get slobbery. Okay. Ah, that's her tongue. It's so like, how do I give it to you?
Just...
It's so slimy. Oh, okay. Sweet cow.
Sweet cow. Give her the rest.
You gotta finish it.
Give her the rest. She'll get it.
I gotta go wash my hands.
She really took one for the team there. This potato has traveled over 175,000 miles all over the U.S. and if it were made into French fries, it'd be over 1 million French fries. They created this potato to go on tour by the Idaho Commission of Potato Growers, and it was such a popular thing and became too worn for the road that they decommissioned this one and created a new potato. And Kristie, Wolfe, who's created all these amazing tiny homes around the country, has now decided that she wanted to turn it into a tiny home and hotel for people to enjoy.
Now that I got clean hands, we can go check out this hot potato.
Smells so good. It smells like mashed potatoes.
Actually, it smells like jasmine. Where's the... It's so beautiful. It's the latest. It's the greatest. Holy potato.
Holy.
Mashed potato.
Look at this antler chandelier.
After we live in a van, we should live in a potato. Which one do we play? We went with some Kasey Musgraves. But you know what's crazy is I've never played
a record.
Me either. There. Oh. Wow. Wow.
Now you're lifting me up, instead of holding me down. Stealing my heart, instead of stealing my crown. In the mirror is you.
Dolly the Jersey cow. Our beloved cow is 2 years old and she's full of personality. She doesn't like other animals, but she loves humans.
Coolest light ever.
Yeah, it's a Casper glow light. Watch this. Ta-da!
Whoa.
And look, you can dim it.
Oh my goodness.
And turn it back on, and you can walk around with it like a nightlight. And turn it back off, we just simply flip it. Boom. It's People magazine from May 2019, this year. And it's 5 things they're talking about. And here's the big giant potato.
What?
What? If you stay, you get an awesome little Idaho pin. The potato.
If that isn't reason enough, I don't know what is. Everything else about it. Oh, bummer. We don't know the code on the bathroom, so no tour of the potato bathroom today.
Nope.
Nope. I could only imagine if it's even half as beautiful as that potato.
Apparently there's a seated bidet in there and a tub for 2.
She's drooling. She loves it so much.
Yeah. You like that, Donnie? You like that? Like that?
Sweet girl.
Yeah.
So this is Kristie.
She was here yesterday, but she was
Yeah.
really sad that she didn't get it.
That was really nice of her to know that we were flying back from Michigan yesterday and then
Yeah.
connect us and everything.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
The dream. I'm like, did I manifest this years ago?
That's kind of the story
it's
behind
really
the
cool.
potato. I manifested that.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
we read about it in your
Yeah.
little guest book.
Yeah.
It's pretty incredible.
Well, when I called dibs on it, however many years, 7-ish years ago, they were going to be redoing it. I was like, hey,
girl.
remember, all these things have been really successful. So, yeah,
That's
really
awesome.
good.
Life is good like that.
Yes,
Yeah.
I agree.
Well, that was a dream come true. And she invited us to shower. Look at this circle bathroom.
We're in a silo. Potatoes
and broccoli and mushrooms and green beans and eggs for protein. We're really hungry.
Oh, so hungry.
So hungry. Today has been unexpectedly one of my favorite days of life.
It's been fantastic.
It has been spudtacular. If you guys liked exploring this place with us as much as we love discovering it, then go ahead and give this video a like because we love the support. It really just fills our hearts up with all the fuel we need to move forward and keep on sharing these episodes with you.
And we're super stoked that somebody reached out to us out of the blue to help us discover something unique and something we've never seen before. So thank you for that.
We feel so blessed.
Yeah, thank you for all like the sincere and sweet comments. They just keep us compelled to keep putting out these videos.
Sweet dreams, everyone.